So, good morning everyone. So, today we are going to see conditional variance. What is conditional variance? Okay. So, definition I am giving definition. Okay. Let x, y be a two-dimensional continuous random variable. Okay. The conditional variance of y given x is equal to conditional variance of x given y is equal to y is defined as, how it is defined? Variance of is equal to, it is denoted by this way. How it is defined? Expectation of x minus mu x restriction y conditional y का स्क्वायर y is equal to okay. So how it will be defined? Because it is a continuous. So how it will be defined? Can you tell me how it will be defined? It will be defined by this way: minus infinity to infinity, okay, x minus mu का स्क्वायर, okay, f this way, okay. So this is defined. Similarly, conditional variance of y given x is equal to x is defined as v y x is equal to, it is denoted by this way, and it is nothing but so what is the form of this in return? Because function random variable is continuous, so minus infinity to infinity y minus mu y x का स्क्वायर f restriction x. Okay. Okay. What will be there? Dy will be there or dx? Dy. Okay. You already know what is the meaning of mu y x, mu x y. We already defined conditional expectation yesterday. Okay. Now this was the definition in the case your random variable x y is continuous. Suppose your random variable is discrete, then what will be the definition? B part I am writing. Please note up to this. Okay. Let x y be a two-dimensional discrete random variable the conditional variance of x given y is equal to y is defined as how it is defined? Similar way. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? y की जगह क्या आएगा? yj, because it is a discrete. So now x yj, it is denoted by x yj square. This is nothing but x minus mu x yj का स्क्वायर कंडीशनल y is equal to yj. Now what will be the formula for it in the term of summation? I goes to 1 to infinity xi minus mu x yj का स्क्वायर p x कंडीशनल y, और यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? x y j. ओके, x y j. Similarly, the conditional variance of y given x is equal to xi is defined as, how it will be defined? Can you tell me? V y xi is equal to sigma y xi का स्क्वायर is equal to expectation of y minus xi, sorry, mu y xi का स्क्वायर कंडीशनल x is equal to xi. What is the its formula? This is summation j goes to 1 to infinity yj माइनस म्यू वाई एक्स आई का स्क्वायर पी वाई एक्स ओके वाई जे एक्स आई. So I am writing this because no proper space is there. P y x y j x I. Okay. We know already what the meaning of these terms. Okay. Now we are going to do one example. Okay. We note that one thing, you note that we know that variance of x is always, this is sigma square. What is this? We know that this is expectation of this formula. We know already for single random variable. Variable x, for single random variable x we know. Okay. So note A, if x y be a continuous two-dimensional random variable, then what will be the formula? Then what will be the formula for this variance of x y? What will be the formula for this? Can you tell me? The formula will be same as it is, x square y minus e x y का whole square. The formula will reduce similar way. Okay. What will be the formula for this? Okay, it is clear or not? Okay. In the case of discrete random variable, if x y be a discrete two-dimensional random variable, then what will be the formula for this? Can you tell me? Okay, what will be the formula for this? Okay, simple. Now we are going to do one example, it will be more clear. Okay. Note up to this. Okay. So example I am writing. The example is same we have taken yesterday. The joint PDF of the joint PDF of XY is given by F XY is equal to K zero elsewhere. Okay, zero elsewhere. Find the conditional variances we need to calculate this. Okay, in yesterday's class we have taken same example. Okay, same example, and we find that what is the value of K? K value was 2. Yesterday we took this example and K value was 2. So no need to calculate today. So now we need to calculate this one. In yesterday's class, can you tell me what was the mu yx? Can you tell me? Actually, what is this? What is this? This is actually this. Okay. And what was this? Yesterday's class we got x by 2. If you see that mu yx value was x by 2. Okay. Now solve it. What will be the formula for this? हमें किसके रेस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएशन करना है? y के रेस्पेक्ट में. So minus infinity to infinity y minus x by 2 का स्क्वायर So can you tell me what is this? y का लिमिट क्या है, 0 से एटमोस्ट x हो सकता है, y माइनस एक्स बाई 2 का स्क्वायर. Yesterday we got what we got this. Can you tell me 1 upon x we got it? Okay. Are you getting or not? Now take what we will do now. 1 upon x will be common outside. Can you tell me what will be the integral of this? Here x is a constant. What we will do? Y minus x by 2 का क्यूब अपॉन 3 एज यूजुअल इंटीग्रल. ओके, बिकॉज x इज a constant ना. X is a constant term, we are doing partially. So what will be? X constant हम y के रेस्पेक्ट में कर रहे हैं बिल्कुल, बस और कुछ नहीं है. तो ये क्या होगा, जब पहला x रखेंगे यहाँ पे x माइनस एक्स बाई 2, ये 3 तो कॉमन आ जाएगा यहाँ पे, ठीक है ना. 0 माइनस एक्स बाई 2 का क्यूब, 1 अपॉन 3x. व्हाट इज दिस? x बाई 2 का क्यूब और माइनस एक्स बाई 2 का क्यूब. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, 1 अपॉन 3x, 2 इंटू एक्स अपॉन 2 का क्यूब हो जाएगा, क्योंकि माइनस साइन इज देयर ऑलरेडी. सो ये क्या हो जाएगा, 2 अपॉन 3x इंटू एक्स क्यूब अपॉन 8. एक x से x कट जाएगा, सो एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन 12. ओके, सो दिस इज द आंसर. सो नाउ वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट this one, variance of this we need to calculate. What will be this? What is actually this? So what will be the formula? Minus infinity to infinity x minus, what is the value we find it yesterday? It was 1 plus y upon 2. We got it. Okay, f x के रेस्पेक्ट में होगा, ठीक है. y का लिमिट क्या था, सॉरी x का लिमिट क्या था, y से 1 तक. सो दिस इज x माइनस 1 प्लस वाई अपॉन 2 का स्क्वायर. वॉट वी गोट वैल्यू ऑफ दिस कंडीशनल, yesterday we got this value 1 upon 1 minus y dx. So this is function of y. It is a constant because I am doing integral partially, so it will be come out. Okay, so what is this? What will be the integral? As usual, x minus 1 plus y अपॉन 2 का क्यूब अपॉन 3. सो लिमिट विल बी y to 1. 3 will come out. ओके, तो x का लिमिट क्या है, 1 माइनस 1 प्लस वाई माइनस y माइनस 1 प्लस वाई अपॉन 2 का, टेल मी व्हाट विल बी दिस, so it will be 1 minus y this, and what will be this, y minus 1 upon 2. Okay, so we can take minus common, then it will be what, 2 times 1 minus y upon 2 का क्यूब, ठीक है. So it will be 1 upon 3 1 minus y 2 1 minus y क्यूब upon 8, इससे 4 टाइम्स और एक पावर कट जाएगा. So what is this, 1 minus y का स्क्वायर अपॉन 12. So this is the answer. Okay, so conditional variance is done here. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask me.